The Raymarine EV-100 p70 wheel pilot pack comprises a fully enclosed wheel drive that fits most types of wheels and provides superb autopilot performance for small to medium-sized sailboats. Quick and easy installation makes it the ideal autopilot for do-it-yourselfers. Specifically designed to complement Raymarine's unique wheel drive and tiller drive applications, the ACU-100 provides a powerful and secure interface between steering systems and the revolutionary EV-1 course computer and 9-axis sensor. The EV-100 wheel pilot comprises a fully enclosed wheel drive for simple installation and superb autopilot performance. The EV-1 is designed for Evolution mechanical and hydraulic autopilot systems. Designed for smaller wheel-steered sailboats with maximum vessel displacement, 16,000 pounds. Precision monitoring of heading, pitch, roll and yaw, allowing the autopilot to evolve instantly as sea conditions and vessel dynamics change. No calibration required. The autopilot automatically evolves and adapts to your vessel's steering characteristics without any user adjustments. Flexible installation options. Waterproof housing allows for installation above or below deck. Wheel pilot pack includes EV-1 sensor core, ACU-100 actuator control unit, P70 control head, wheel drive, Evolution cable kit. Top reviews from the United States. Worth it. I was concerned about installing this on my S28C sailboat as I have a stiff steering pedestal. I don't have roller bearings centering my wheel shaft. Instead, it uses plastic bushings. Despite my concerns, I was impressed the little motor had no issues turning the wheel. Installation was relatively easy, but I have to suggest you consider buying longer C-talk cables. My only real complaint is the ones provided are only 3 feet long. Probably not a real concern for a powerboat. The sensor core is supposed to be mounted as far forward in the bow as possible. With a 5-meter cable, I was able to mount the sensor to my mast support down below deck. The calibration was pretty straightforward as the setup wizard does most of the work. I suggest you get the instructions for this part online as the printed book provided is a little confusing. Performing 2 large circles and then 2 smaller circles was the key to completing the final steps for magnetization. Overall, I'm really impressed with how clean the all-in-one design is. The thickness of the product is slim and doesn't add any bulk to the wheel, making its sheerness in the cockpit desirable. I'm looking forward to spending my time trolling fish rather than 8 to 12 hours days behind the wheel while solo.